Welcome to today's video. Probably gonna be starting a teardown on the KFX. We got a new frame. Not new frame, we got a new lift here. Pretty nice. Ain't gotta bend over it right now. Probably gonna start pulling the front A-arms and stuff apart. I just want to keep it where it'll run so I can build the motor next weekend. All I've got is a weekend to film these, so that's why things are the way they are. So, yeah, I'm gonna get this thing jacked up and start pulling it apart. Alright, got that whole assembly off. That's how I was wanting to do it. Now, I don't want to touch the brakes because then I gotta re-bleed them. I'll do the same thing on this side too. This thing's pretty nice, buddy. It's also custom made. Not meant to do this, but see, welded that sucker down here. There used to be a big old bar that come up right here. Yeah, I'll get that thing there. I've got a powder coating gun, and I'm gonna powder coat those A-arms. I got a little oven, itty bitty oven. I'm gonna do them now. So, yeah, valves are not here this weekend. They're gonna be here next weekend. Well, actually, they'll be here today, but they're about 3 hours away. They're at a different address. So, waiting for those. I'll have them next weekend when I'm back here. They're 1 day off. They just came yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I could already had them, but I'm just going to keep it where I can start it up for now. So I want to do a frame swap because the 03 frames are not very strong. This one's already cracked right here. So I want to get an 06 frame. So yeah, and if I do that, I'm gonna get it powder coated and stuff. So I just want to make sure it runs good before I start having to do all that. This Sunday I might go pick up the day this is posted. So you might see it in this video. I might go pick up an 06 frame. So we'll see. This is the end of the video. The video wasn't too great, I guess you could say. This we're gonna be putting out 2 this week. They're both not great, I wouldn't say, because I had some stuff going on. But this video right here is for the KFX, and I started tearing it down. I didn't really say much of anything. I'm wanting to pick up another frame for it and do a frame swap on it. Right now I'm thinking about going the colors like the old T-Cate was, the blue frame. Like I've seen the T-Cates with like blue frames, the old blue, like candy blue for the frame, and the retro kind of style look. I just want to get the motor running right before I go out and spend all this money to fix it up right, make it look new. I got these valves here from KFX400 Performance, and here's one of the intake valves right here. The packaging they come in right here. I have another one here in the packaging. Just trying to find intake. Okay. I got an intake exhaust here in the packaging from KFX400 Performance. Not a lot of videos on them. Yeah, I'm just wondering if it's gonna make any like performance differences between the two. Because if you look, here's I'm pretty sure it might be a Chinese. Nope, it's a Japan. It's a Japanese valve. If you see it, it's not very. Well, it's not the same as like this kilowatt performance valve. Put them right next to each other. This kilowatt performance valve is, see, it's like a bowl out right here. This one's really small. That one's huge, all the way across that. I also got stage 2 hot cams to go in with these valves right here. With these valves, same as the intake too. Here's the kilowatt performance intake valve right there. There's some lettering there on it. See, y'all can see it. This is it next to I'm pretty sure it's a stock valve. See, these valves right here are off of an old LTZ I used to have. I just went digging around and found them. See the difference there? I think it might do a little bit of a performance change. I've also got a brand new head gasket for it right here. Because you can't reuse them. I've reused them before though, but would not recommend reusing them. Yeah, I'm gonna throw these valves in next week's video, whenever I can get back there and do it. So that should be good, and we'll see if we'll get it to run. I'm not gonna have it running and riding because I'm gonna be going through this winter and fixing it up right, which will all be on video, I'm sure. So yeah, guess I'll let y'all off on that note. So subscribe, like, do something. Just trying to grow my channel, you know.